Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, developer options, USB debugging, Android Studio, and the magic Widgets SDK installed. Connect your device or set up an emulator with Google APIs. This matters because widgets use host services unavailable on minimal images. Once done, open your project, add the widget dependency and build. Gradle and sync. Create a basic app widget provider class and a widget info XML. These first actionable steps get your project wired to the platform, so subsequent configuration actually deploys. Next, implement the widget internals. Design a compact remote views layout since many view types aren't supported, and keep it lightweight for performance. You write on update to inflate remote views and bind data, and handle clicks with pending intent pointing to a service or broadcast receiver. For scheduled refreshes, use Work Manager or Alarm Manager. Work Manager is safer across reboots and DOS. Make sure to request runtime permissions when needed and test state transitions like configuration changes and widget resize to keep behavior consistent. Finally, deploy and verify by adding the widget to the home screen. You'll see layout issues immediately if remote views used unsupported widgets. Test interactions, resizing, and device rotation. If something breaks, open Logcat and filter for app widget host, remote views, or your package name to find exceptions. Make sure pending intents use immutable/mutable flags as required, confirm network calls run off the main thread, and disable aggressive battery optimizations for debugging. One key tip: if periodic updates stop, check DOS and switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.